Hey friends, my name is Akash, a product development leader in software industry, and I'm going to share few of the key learnings from a customer facing role. Let's start with the first one. Always listen to your customers. Your customers are your prime source of the problems. So we have to listen to our customers to understand the problems. And that brings me to the next point, which is don't listen to your customers. Always listen to your customers for the problems, but for solution, you devise your own solution. Don't listen to your customers for the solutions because you are the best judge of what's the best solution will be for your customers. The third point is think if the solution is good enough to get paid. If customer is ready to get to pay for it, then your solution is perfect. It should be viable and it should be proceeded further. The fourth point is stop worrying about getting paid. Getting paid or having a payment is not the end of the world. You can do something for free, which we call as value added service. It's something as an investment, which will come as a good experience or a good feedback from the customer, which will help you in some other form. The next point is be a thief. By that, what I mean is be a curator of the original ideas. Be curator. Don't be a copycat, but be a curator. You accumulate all the problems from different sources and ideas and put it together. Speed up. Once you have the ideas, go to the action mode and speed up. And when you go to the action mode, you have a decision to make whether you should pursue that idea and implement it in a speedily manner or you will wait for it. By decision, what I mean, there are two types of decisions. In Amazon, Jeff Bezos have said the one type of decisions which are reversible, the other type of decisions are irreversible. Spend time more on the decisions which are irreversible. You cannot reverse it. So spend time, figure it out how you need to approach and then implement the decision. The other type of decision is a reversible one. Okay, if you make a mistake, you learn from it, move on, revert back and proceed further. So decide on that. And lastly, but the most important one, start saying no. You cannot solve all your problems at one shot and you cannot solve all customer problem at one shot. So you need to prioritize and see what are the most impacted problem which you can solve and which will be the most beneficial for the customer. Think about the 80-20 principle. That's all for today. Until next time, thank you.